Okay, let's go to the Manila by myself. This is my plan from Silang to Manila.
So I have to ride the Ghibli like this.
Yes. After you drop the alabang,
I'm gonna to meet my friend who living in the Manila. She is Filipino. We are going to tour in Manila, so that's why I'm go there. First transportation is bus. We can arrive to Manila around 2 o'clock, right? Thank you.
How many rides you want? How many rides? How many rides you
Right. Why is right?
How many rides you area Taguig? Korean.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, you are so kind, right? Yeah. Where you go? I will go here. Can I give the child?
ano? Wala tayong lalagyan ng
Here?
pagkaka.
Yes.
Dalawa
Oh,
lang.
nearby my place. Maybe we can go together, right? Because your place is my place is, right? It's really near. Oh, thank you.
After taking a bus for more than an hour, I almost in Manila. So at the time, I prepared to get off the bus. But actually, my final destination is the market in the Manila. So that's why I have to take other transportation. Second transportation is tricycle.
Then ask to jeepney driver.
But he didn't know markets, so I decided to ride a motorcycle.
You take the picture.
So, yeah. So now.
Yes, okay. It's 315 pesos.
Oh,
Yes. So very far, ma'am. From here to market. Yeah, here. You see?
Okay.
So very far. It's only angkas rate.
Okay. Yeah.
Bibigyan ng mineral yan. Di mo. Sige, bigyan. Ano? Ma'am.
But I found that it was only 100 peso kilometer. I paid for more than 3 times. I finally installed the app. Anyway, do you guys enjoy this video? Next video, I wanna share how I had good time with my friends. Anyway, I finally arrived at the market. Okay, bye. See you soon.